Welcome to this upper back, neck and shoulder release. Take a seat and let's begin. We're going to focus our attention on the trapezius muscle, highlighted here, and the levator scapulae as well, also highlighted here. I'm going to show you some unique techniques to really get deep into these muscles and open up any pain you may be experiencing, or just simply a very tight and restrictive feeling from sleeping badly or being stressed. Begin by interlacing your fingers, leaving out just your thumbs. Now cupping the base of your skull, make circular motions through your thumbs. Apply as much pressure as feels good and needed. For the moment, we're just going to stay in one place, just massaging round and round. Focus on that space where the neck meets the head. For the moment, do not drop your head down, just keep your spine really straight. Now start making a sweeping motion. Instead of circular movements, pull your thumbs back and then with pressure rub downward. Keep this going, applying the pressure that feels best for you. Now you can begin to slowly release the head forwards and work your way down the spinal column, making small circular motions through the thumbs, going up to the base of the crown and then all the way down just to the top of the shoulders. If you need to continue doing this for longer, you can pause the video. Now, keeping your spine straight, gently release your head towards the left side. Slowly lift and then lower over to the other side, releasing the weight of the head into the stretch. Now bringing your head back to center, bring your hands to the back of your head and release the weight of the head into the hands. Gently release to the left side and then release to the right side. Now sitting up nice and straight, taking a couple of fingers, place them on your chin. Push back but maintain a straight spine. Taking your other hand and placing it on the back of your head. This is to maintain a straight line from the crown of the head all the way down. Now begin to lift and lower your chin, moving at your own speed. Sitting in front of a mirror may help you here, just so that you can be really aware of how straight your spine actually is. Now begin to lift and lower your chin from left to right. As always, move at your own speed, no fast or sudden movements. Try working on connecting your physical movements with your in and exhale. Now straightening out and extending your arms out to the side. Opening one palm and then slowly looking out towards that open palm. Closing that palm but opening the other, look to the other side. Keep this movement going, moving gently and slowly from left to right. Your challenge here is to keep your spine and neck really straight, and even though your head is moving from left to right, it should be only your head and hands moving. If you practice this routine each morning, you will be seeing significant results within a week. Thank you for joining me. I wish you a beautiful day. Namaste.